Hello my dear students, today we are going to check how do we draw a circumcircle for any given triangle. Now first of all I need to have a triangle for which I have to draw a circumcircle to it. So first what I'll do is I'll keep a triangle ready of any given measurements. If the measurements are given, then draw the triangle as per to that measurements. If not, then you can draw any triangle of your choice. So at first I'll start with a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, you know, none of the three sides are equal in length. So I have drawn a scalene triangle of random measurements. Since the name is given triangle PQR, so I'll name this PQR. So my triangle PQR is ready, as you can see. Next, to draw a circumcircle, I'll write it over here for you. To draw a circumcircle, we need first to draw perpendicular bisectors. We need to draw perpendicular bisector of any two adjacent sides. Of any two adjacent sides. Fine children. Now what is a perpendicular bisector? Oh, perpendicular bisector is also called, in our language we call it as more than half technique. So how to draw perpendicular bisector? It should be like more than half technique. Now I'll teach you for that as well. Just focus onto the screen. First I am deciding that I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector for the side QR. So keeping the compass point on Q, nicely pierce it once, and then it's R, so pierce it on R as well. Now keep the compass on point Q. See, now if you take this much, it's not more than half. If you take this much, it would be too far. So I'll take more than half on an average. Yes, this seems to be a good one. Now I'll draw an arc upstairs and I'll draw an arc downstairs. Do not disturb the compass. So okay, I'll keep the compass point on R and I will cut the previous two arcs which I have drawn. Now you can check, children, I got two intersection points. I'll just join those two intersection points. So as you can see, if I join this, I will get exactly the perpendicular bisector of the side QR. Okay, so do not forget to put the arrowheads, that's important. Since you have drawn perpendicular bisector, so perpendicular sign, and let this letter be A. Okay children, so first QR ka bisector is done, and now I'll draw the perpendicular bisector of its adjacent side. So it can be PQ, it can be PR, that is completely your call. So I'll draw the perpendicular bisector for the side PQ. So same technique, I'll keep the compass on P, I'll pierce it nicely. I'll measure more than half. So I'll draw an arc upstairs and I'll draw an arc this side as well. Fine children, keeping the distance same, keeping the radius same, I'll keep it on the point Q and I'll cut the previous two arcs. See, again I got two intersection points, and now I'll simply join them. So if I join this, so I get my perpendicular bisector of the side PQ over here, and now the perpendicular sign, okay, and I'll mark this as point B. Now as you can see, the two bisectors should intersect at one single point. And you also know one thing, The point of intersection of all the three perpendicular bisectors is called circumcenter. So for that I have to extend the previous bisector so that I get my circumcenter. So I extend it. So I got this point. I'll name it as C as a circumcenter. And now what, children? As you get the circumcenter, okay, you keep the compass on that circumcenter, measure it till any of the three vertices. So I'll measure it till R, you can measure it till Q, or measure it till P, and I decide to go with R. So now from point R, I'll start drawing a circumcircle. You can clearly see, wow, beautiful as that. Okay, just a minute, I'll just take it from here. And now if you see, if we join this, I get a perfect circle passing through all the three vertices. So this is how you draw a beautiful circumcircle for any given triangle. Done. Thank you.